Spicy alcohol.
Dude, we've actually done an event with this brand before, so I am very familiar with this. Tamarindo, spicy tamarind, however you want to say it. Off the bat, let me just try it on its own. Yeah, dude, that's my childhood right there. Well, if I was drinking in my childhood. I meant the flavor, okay? Calm down. Did you try it yet? It's good, right? Okay, so let's just try it with this. Right here, we're gonna do some chamoy, because I love chamoy. And then right here, we're gonna do some sumac and some Korean chili flake. A little salt and a little bit of citric acid in there. I'm actually gonna mix this up. This kind of reminds me of tajin, by the way. I'll do some of this on the rim, put that all around. There's one, there's two. That's for you, that's for your mom, and then we cheers it. This stuff is good, man. Probably sponsor me too, huh? That's tasty. Tamarindo vodka. Have you ever tried it?